Mayor Joy recently issued a statement, no, that asking for you to have to issue a public apology for that remarks.
Well, I respect her opinion doon sa sa kanyang binitawang statement. However, I always believed I was taught that Mayor Joy was objective and would not issue statements without consulting the individual. Hindi naman kami magkaaway eh. The least
Magkapartito kayo ni
No,
Mayor
hindi kami
Joy?
magkapartido.
Okay.
Pero hindi kami magkaaway. In fact, in several occasions, pag meron siyang kailangan o meron kailangan, nagpapalitan kami ng text message, nakikita naman kami, nag-uusap kami. Dahil may pamangkin ako sa city council eh. And it was so easy for her naman to issue, before issuing the statement na, Bong, ano ba yung konteksto nitong statement mo? Kasi mag-i-issue ako ng statement. Hindi ko naman sasabihin sa kanya na, huwag mo i-issue yan eh. Because I understand na women's advocate ka.